On an average month, we get about 500 to 1,000 leads from our social media content that we post organically for free, not including paid ads, every single month, okay? 500 to 1,000 leads every single month from our organic content. I'm gonna break down how it works. I'm gonna show you guys a couple examples of how I've done it. I'm gonna do it to you guys in this video, so you get an exact example, right? You get it live. And then you guys can go and put it into practice for yourself. And if you're new here, my name is Nick. I'm the owner of Launch Socials. I make these videos to help you guys make more money with your social media, with your personal brand, just like I have, and just like all of my clients, where we've done 8 figures in sales and grown millions and millions of followers. So the first thing is this: you have to have content. The prerequisite to this is you need tons of content on your social media. You need to have a brand. If you do not have a brand, this will not work. So this is like primarily the number one thing that has to happen and needs to exist is this. There needs to be content. So the thing that we'll be using as an example today is my Twitter profile, okay? And this is the 48K followers, okay? Good example. Now, the CTA is super important. The CTA is the thing that's to your lead magnet, okay? So the way we get free leads is through our lead magnet. People can promote 2 things. You can either promote your lead magnet, and I'll just do LM for it, or you can promote your product. It's good to do both. And why is it good to do both? Because the lead magnet, okay, if someone opts in, they go and read it, this is the thing that begins the sales process. This is the thing that gets somebody to say, yeah, wow, I'm interested, and these guys are experts at what they do. This seems interesting. This seems like something that I need. This seems like something that can help me. Us, for example, we have a 73-page playbook that details exactly how we've grown our social media brands and made a ton of money from. Okay, and I'll read the full headline in a second to you so you can see what that CTA looks like, but that's our lead magnet. And after somebody gets our lead magnet, and this is a completely different video you can watch on the channel, I probably already have something up with it, but after somebody gets it, a couple things happen. An automated email goes out, an automated text goes out, and then our team calls them and says, hey, why are you looking to grow your social media brand? Or why did you grab this? Like, what are you working on? Maybe we can help. And that's where the sales process begins, where we go and we sell our products. We have a couple different products, okay? We have one for beginners. We have one for people that are already kind of starting their brand, and we have one for people that are already making 20K a month and they want to scale. And this is the process for getting them in. They get the lead magnet, they give us their name, their phone number, their email, and we begin the sales process with the text convo, with the email, and with the call to them. Now, how does that actually work? So our content's going up. People are there for a specific reason. They're there for our story. They're there for what we're an expert at. Okay, all of that. And then we hit them with a CTA. So CTAs, there's different options, but one of them looks like this. So this is on Twitter. I created a 73-page breakdown of the process we've used to grow over 6.5 million followers, sign 408 clients, and collect 30.8 mil for us and clients. I could sell this doc for 1K, but instead I'm going to give it to you for free. Just like plus reply LS for Launch Socials. Okay, that's what our company is. And I'll send it. Must be following. And then these people reply, and then they go and they get a DM where we send it over to them. We send the link to the doc. So what happens is we create a DM conversation, which is good because then we can do follow-up sequences here and be like, yo, did you grab the doc? Did you like it? What are your thoughts on it? What did you think of it? And if they don't hit us back, we can reply with resources, YouTube videos. Hey, what's up, dude? Like, look at this client win, yada, yada. And that is a lead that we can work, okay? Now, I don't personally consider the DM conversations leads. I only consider them a lead once we get their name, their email, the phone number. So in the DM, we link them to an opt-in page. Our opt-in page is simply this, playbook.launchsocials.com. You can actually grab it from us. This is the first link in the description, but I created a 73-page playbook. This playbook reveals the exact process we use to grow 6.5 million followers and collect 13.8 million in cash from social media. It covers all of this stuff. Enter your info and get instant access to the playbook, right? And so we're giving the playbook away for free, but it's 73 pages of access. So you put your number in there, and you can see I was testing and stuff. You put your number, your email, whatever in there, and then you're going to get access. It's going to get emailed to you. It's going to get texted to you, and then the sales process begins. We get about 500 to 1,000 of these every single month from our content. We'll post our content. People will come to us. They'll follow us, okay? We will then do a CTA. We'll do many, many CTAs, and they will then get this DM, or they'll skip right over the DM and they'll go right to the page. Sometimes we'll do stuff like this, where you can see this piece of content did good, did 100 likes, 7,900 views, and so this automatically pops up under it because I have an automation set up for it. And it's the same CTA that you guys just saw right here, but in a smaller form, and it says access here, and they go in and boom, okay? And so on average, if we're doing, 1,000 leads a month, that's 33 leads per day. What's 500? That's 16 leads per day, okay? So we're getting anywhere between 16 and 30 leads every single day from this. We run it on IG as well. We obviously run it on YouTube as well. It's the first link in our description here on this channel. And it's interesting, this channel, I make these videos to help you guys do social media, but I also promote our company and our services. And so I'm kind of documenting the promotion of our company and services because I use the exact same strategies to promote our company and services that I'm teaching you guys in these videos and that we offer inside of Launch Socials with our products. Okay, now, that's the process for the 500 free leads per month. It's very basic. It's very simple. But the key here, the gem, is that you need a lead magnet that is just absolutely incredibly good. You need a lead magnet where you collect phone numbers and you collect emails that people want to get. One, they want to get because the offer is enticing. But secondarily, they get and they say, whoa. They get and they say, this answered so many questions for me. This made me feel like I can do it. This made me feel like you guys are the people that can absolutely smash it for me and help me out with this process. What do you have? What can I buy from you? How can I work closer with you? You want the lead magnet to do that. If you don't have this and you don't have this strategy for 500 free leads per month, and I say free because it's organic content, you're not paying to promote it, okay? This strategy won't work unless you have the lead magnet or the content. Now, beyond that, how do you increase the leads? How do you get more leads? And we've started to do some of this. We really only just dialed in the lead magnet maybe a month or two ago and got it ripping at that pace. But we do a couple things. You grow the audience more. You post more content, okay? You grow the audience, you post better content, you get more views, etc. This goes hand in hand, posting more content, right? Grows the audience. Obviously, you get more people in, more eyeballs, more viral stuff means more people seeing your CTA. You're going to get more leads, you're going to get more opt-ins, you're going to be able to call more people, put more people through your sales process. You make more CTAs. Okay, maybe you're doing 1 CTA a week. How about you do 1 a day? Or how about you do 3 a day? And if you post more content, you can then put more CTAs under each good piece of content, well-performing, high-performing piece of content. And so you're going to get more opt-ins from that. These are all things that you can do. You can post content on different platforms. We not only post on Twitter with my 48,000 followers there, I have 30,000 followers on Instagram where I post it, and I also post a bunch of YouTube videos on my personal channels as well as here on Launch Socials. And finally, you can run paid ads. If you have something that's working, if you get something that's getting 500 to 1,000 leads every single month, just like I said, 16 to 30 people per day, that's 16 to 30 people per day, new, fresh, that my sales team can call and talk to and speak with and have a sales conversation with about our product. They're not all going to be interested, but these are people that are interested in growing on social media, and they're obviously looking for help. That's a very perfect segue into our product where we help them grow on social media and make money from social media, okay? If you're doing that already, you should run paid ads. You should kick that volume up. What would it do for you if you go from 16 to 30 per day to 100? You go from 0 to 16 to 30 to 100 to 200, 500, 1,000 per day. Imagine 1,000 new leads every single day because your paid ads are running properly. And oftentimes all that looks like is the people that are engaging with your content, okay, these people that engage with your content, they get hit with a paid ad, okay, and that paid ad is just a CTA to the people that engage with your content to opt into this lead magnet. You get it working with your organic content first. You get it working for free. You get tons of leads for free from your organic content, and then you turn on that retargeting. You turn on the paid ads, and it starts absolutely smashing. So this right here, my friends, is exactly how we get 500 new leads or more, 500 to 1,000 leads every single month with our organic content. You got content, CTA, you got the DMs, your lead mag, your opt-in, and then really the lead mag being special, being something valuable, being something actually helpful is the thing that is so important to making this work. Because you can get people to opt in, you can make them a good offer. Look at this big headline, look at all these sales we've got, yada, yada, whatever. You can make them a good offer, but then if they opt in and it's shit, if they opt in and it's not helpful, if they opt in and it's not good, they're going to say, well, this wasn't really helpful, I didn't really like this, and they might even unfollow you because they're like, this actually wasn't valuable. I feel like I'm being pitched some kind of trash, and I don't want it. So make sure that thing is pristine, make sure it's proper, make sure it's perfect. Start posting content, run your CTAs, and you're going to get a lot of leads if you do this the right way. I'm going to come out with a video soon on how to write and make a lead magnet the right way. So if you're looking for that, if you're looking for more help on all these things, such as running good CTAs, running good DMs, running and making good lead magnets, and the sales process in general, make sure you subscribe. Again, my name is Nick. I'm the owner of Launch Socials. We make videos every single week just like this, 500 free leads per month. And if you want help, you can go down below. We have all our links there. And if you want our lead magnet, right, our thing that will actually help you and show you how to do this, okay, from social media, make more money from social media, grow faster on social media, print with your personal brand, go down below. It's the first link in the description. You can grab that. Just put in your phone, your email, and your name, and you can grab it. Have a good one. I'll see you in the next video.